Now, in this video, we are going to talk about the array in JavaScript. First of all, let's click here the default code here using the boilerplates. And I'm writing here the ARR here, array in JS. It means array in JavaScript. So at first, let's understand the theoretical part about the array. Array is used to store the different types of data, not only the same types of data. If you are familiar with the other programming language, then in that programming language, you have learned about the array is a collections of similar types of data. But in JavaScript, you can collect the different data types in array. It means, first of all, let's type here the, let's make the one script tag. And inside the script tag, if I want to store the one non-data student's record, their name, or if I want to collect the thousands of the student record, or you can say the different types of the car brand or anything else. If I want to store the 2, 4, 5, 6 record, this is possible. This is simple things. But if I want to store the thousands record, 100 record, then that time we can use the array to store all that record into that one variable, right? So if I write here the let name one student, like the student one name equal to, if I write here the Vikas, and likewise if I need to the other student name, like the name to student, right? Name to student, name to student, name 3 student, likewise, right? And this is possible, right? But if I want to store the many more record from here, and this is impossible, it's gonna be impossible when I have to. It's not impossible, but it's a lengthy process, and we won't do these things, because if I want to store the thousands record, then I can just write here I can make the one array, and I can store the value into the array. At first, we can create the array in the different ways, and especially we can create the array in 3 different ways. First one is the array literal, literal is literal, and I'm writing here the const, and then inside the const I'm writing here the array. This is my variable name, and I can write here simply the big bracket, and inside the big bracket I can write here the because, right? This is one value. Another one is if I want to store the Binay, and if I want to store the Rakesh, this is possible, right? And if I want to print this array value, then I can simply write here the document.write, and inside the document.write I can type here the array. And if I go to the browser, if I go to the browser here, and if I refresh because Binay and Rakesh, this is my output, right? And this is the array literal. And also I can make the first array, like if I want to put these things again from here, and I'm putting these things inside the comment section. And if I remove this all things from here, right? And this is the array. And also I can insert the value inside the array by manually. And you have to put one thing in this video. The array counts start from the 0, right? This is not start from the 1 in mathematics. So first of all, I have to write here the array, and then if I want to write the 0, it means array 0 index. I want to put the value as because, right? And in the value 2 and the value 3, it means array index 1, array index 1. I can change the name from here. And array index 2, I can change the name from here. And if I want to write the array index 3 also, I can change the name from here. If I go to here, now I got the because and this 3 name, right? I'm writing here the random name. I'm not writing random name. This is just a random text here. And in this way also, you can make the array. This is all about the array literal. And if I want to make the array using the array constructor, then you can simply write here the, it calls like just try the array XUNST and it's the constructor. You can write the const and then the AR, this is the variable name. And you have to use the new and then the array, array, right? And inside this array, you can just give the value here, like the because, and whatever be the name, you can put it here. I'm just giving the random name. You have to separate this name by using the comma symbol. And if I want to display this value, then just again print the document.write and ARR, right? And if I go to here, now I got again this output. And this is about the array constructor. And also you can use only the new keyword, and you can initialize its value by yourself, right? The array new keyword, right? New keyword, and I'm writing here the const trry equal to new trry trray, and I've already defined these things, so it shows me the error. First of all, let's put inside the comment section, and you can define it by yourself, like the array and then the zero index. You can put the value as a class or whatever you want, and also 2, 3, right? 2 and then the 3. So if I put here the 0, 1 and then the 2, and if I change this name, then if I want to again print this output, then just type here the document.write array. Okay, if I go to the browser, now again I got this output, and in this way also you can create the array. So I have shown in the 3 different ways to create the array, and array is used to store the different types of data also, not only the same types of data. If I want to put here the another type of data like the arr at first array and then the 3 and then the equal to, I can just write here simply the number, and if I go to here, now I got this 3 also. This is the number type data, right? And this is the string type data, and this is possible to store. And if I want to store only the character, then in the 4th index I can just type here the simple 1 character, and this is also possible, right? In this way, you can use the array in JavaScript. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much.